Where are they going to get the workforce from if they continue to ignore people of color?
Just having one perspective is not representative of what the whole world looks like.
To see the richness of backgrounds and genders and the various places that people come from and what all of this wonderful diversity can contribute.
I'm a community organizer with the Sierra Club based here in Chicago.
I'm the education coordinator at the American Indian Center of Chicago.
I left my biotech job to volunteer full-time as Sierra Club president.
I couldn't live with myself if I didn't figure out something to do.
What can you do?
I can do whatever I put my mind to.
The importance of New Horizons is that it gives space to folks at differing levels in their career. So, not only are the environmental fellows here, we also have the Doris Duke scholars who are still in college, who are building their networks, and you're meshing them with established environmental professionals of color, underrepresented backgrounds.
I think it's important for women of color to see other women of color who have succeeded and have those connections. The young minds, as well as the elders and leaders that have been a part of these movements, are really feeling compelled to stand strong, stand firm, and stand arm in arm with one another.
I strongly believe that with a diversity of minds and experiences, we'll be able to find those optimal solutions.
If we don't change the Nature Conservancy to do this work right, I think it's just going to be that much harder to tackle challenges like climate change.
And there's no sustainability, there are no environmental solutions unless everyone benefits.
I didn't know anything about environmental justice, but I knew that I needed to learn very quickly.
You have many decision makers involved in something, they all can point to each other as the person responsible. It's like, oh, but there are a lot of people involved in this. Like, it's not my fault that those people are dying.
If people are able to feel empathetic towards each other, maybe it's that much easier to feel empathetic towards the environment.
Please think of Earth Day 2020 not as an event. To steal a line from Hamilton, it is not a moment, it's a movement.
How extraordinary the effort of NGOs are to involve the communities where they're working at. And I think that is really amazing because conservation starts at home and then spreads out.
It's not enough to just be there. We've earned you earned your spot. You earned your space in the room. So make sure that you are advocating for yourself the same way anyone else would.
Who's the largest employer of Black people? Anyone?
Black people. Okay.
So I can
We have so much to gain together.
New Horizons 2019!
There's no turning back.